HOMMAK, we design and manufacture high-pressure homogenizers, plunger pumps, and high-shear mixers. Also process lines for very wide range of industry like food and beverage, dairy, biotechnology, pharmaceutical, and petrochemical industries. Our headquarters and manufacturing facility is located in Izmir, Turkey. The company has more than 5,000 equipments working actively in all over the world, and we believe we have more than 3,000 customers. We can say happy customers. Yeah. Before we had lots of systems to track, to follow our production, sales, and procurement, but we didn't satisfy. That's why with Europa's solutions, with their professional consultancy, we switch off to the SAP Business One. SAP Business One and Beyaz by Boyum have become the foundation of our digital transformation process. So they help us to make faster decisions based on the real data, and they help us to improve our continuous growing strategy. Benefits of using SAP Business One, I can tell that we have much better visibility across production, inventory, purchasing, and finance. Reporting is faster, inventory tracking is more accurate, and communication between departments has significantly improved. Our machines are very critical for the production line. So we have 9 different models, parts more than 1,000 pieces. Each machine, when our machines stop, we need to be quick to solve the problem. So we need to follow our stock, we need to follow our orders. So they are all connected via SAP. We can follow quickly and easily here. Thanks to Europa's consultancy, training, and continuous support, our teams adapted smoothly to the new system. Europa analyzed our business process, provided consultancy, trained our employees, and customized the system according to our manufacturing needs. So they become a true solution partner through the whole project. The investment that we have done for SAP as HOMMAK, we believe that it's completely worth it. Together with Europa's consultancy and SAP Business One, as HOMMAK, we believe that we will be world's leading homogenizer manufacturer in the future.